What's up, guys? This is Bigsamsfstops, and we're talking photography here. Today, I have this massive piece of equipment. Actually, I consider it part of my equipment, even though it's a bag. It's the Think Tank Airport Security V3.0. I read about this when I was looking for a major storage for my a place to keep all of my gear. And when I read the reviews of this, I mean, apart from the fact that it can take so much, it is very, very secure. So I went ahead and got me one. Let's just get around to the unboxing first, and then we can begin to talk about what this can do later. Let's get this off. It's huge, actually. It's quite large. It feels rugged. It feels good. Toss this aside. Straight out the box. I kind of like the feel of this. You know, very durable rubber feel. You have your caster wheels there. It's something you can lug around in any airport. Let's just cut this open, get all of this out of the way, put the paperwork there, and right down there you have a place where you can put your names and your address, your contact, and so on and so forth. Now let's open this up and see what we got. Here is lockable. You put a lock there, and this zips open to store tons of storage, all kinds of stuff in here. Your laptop can go in there, drives, cables and stuff, you know. It's a lot going up here. And this is just the first place. And then you have this, which is a locking system that comes with a combination lock and a key. Now let's just pop this open. Right now there's no combination on it. I haven't put anything on it yet. I just opened it. And let's see what's in here. The bag just feels very strong, very rugged. And by the way, folks, I got this again from BH Photo Video. Now there's even a template here for, I don't know, how you might want to configure your bag. It looks nice, doesn't it? Set that aside. And then there is tons of stuff. It's like a cable management pouch. What's this now? Tell you the truth, I have no idea what this is, but I'm going to be finding out on their website. And then this is what just trips me about this bag. All of these things are modular. Let me just pop this down this way so you can see. All of these things here are modular, and then you can move them around, rearrange things around, push things around to just get all the things that you want to fit into this. On the back cover, you got tons and tons and tons of storage there. I could put myself into this bag if I wanted to travel very far, and then there will be enough space for me for it. Today we just did an unboxing. I'm going to be coming back when I fill this with my stuff, with all of my gear, and then we can take another review and I can do a what's in my bag video with you. But I don't think I'm going to regret getting this bag. It's a beautiful bag. It feels good. It feels strong. It feels wonderful. I'm very happy with this purchase, and I'm sure I'm going to enjoy using this. Now, how do you carry your own stuff around? Apart from this, I have another backpack. This is just where all of my gear would go to, and I'm not going to be carrying this around with me. I have another smaller backpack. I mean, I can't imagine any photo shoot I'll be going to that I'll need 5, 6, 7 lenses. So that's not it. So all my stuff would be here, and then whenever I want to go for any kind of a photo walk or a photo shoot, I can just go pick the equipment that I want, pick the gear that I want out of this, put them in my small laptop, my small backpack, go to my shoot, come back and put everything back here. So this is like a central repository for me, for all of my stuff. So how do you share your stuff? What's in your camera bag? Please come back to us with that, share that information with us, and I'm sure we'd like to share, our viewers would like to look at and share those experiences with you. My name is Sam, Big Sam. Thank you for being with me today. Don't forget to like, comment, share, hit the subscribe button because we have tons and tons and tons of stuff coming at you. Thank you for being with me today.